In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add properties to a page on Notion. Welcome everyone! We're diving into the world of Notion and exploring how you can enhance your pages by adding properties, making your templates more dynamic and tailored to your needs. Let's get started. First, make sure you're on the Notion homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do that by heading to the top right corner and clicking Login. For those of you who prefer a quicker login method, you can use the Continue with Google option and simply select the Google account you'd like to use. Once you're logged in, you are all set for the next steps. Now, inside Notion, navigate to the page or workspace where you're planning to add a property. If your page is set up in a table view, you'll notice 3 dots in the top right corner of that table. Go ahead and click on those. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Properties. This will open up the property editor for your database, a really useful tool for customizing your page. To add a new property, look for the plus New Property button and click on it. Here, you'll be presented with a list of different property types to choose from. For this demonstration, we're going to focus on adding a multi-select property. This property type is particularly great for scenarios like categorizing project stages, marking different categories, or adding priority tags. Essentially, it works wherever you need multiple labels or options at your disposal. After choosing Multi-Select, a new panel will appear. This is where you can begin typing in your options. You have the flexibility to type as many options as you need. And for an added layer of organization, you can assign each option a different color. This not only makes your database more visually appealing, but also helps you scan through information quickly and efficiently. And just like that, you've successfully added a new property to your Notion page. It's really that simple. Notion is incredibly flexible when it comes to customization, so don't hesitate to experiment with different property types and layouts. Whether you're managing tasks, tracking goals, or organizing ideas, properties are an excellent feature to help you stay efficient and visually on top of everything you need. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you, and I encourage you to explore and play around with Notion's many features to find what works best for you. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.